Hi, welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how to use Python and VS Code and do a factor analysis here. So I will load the libraries that are required: Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and sklearn and Seaborn. You press Shift Enter, it will load the libraries in the background. And I'm going to load the data now. So data is using Excel read._Excel, and when you highlight that, Shift plus Enter, it will load the data. You can see the data using data.head. And these are the data set that I have loaded. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 variables here, and I can convert it into a small name. So x is equal to the data, and I can then see its descriptives using mean, minimum, percentiles. These are its test. Then if I want to see, because I want to create a factor analysis, I need to make sure it has correlations with each other. So first of all, I create a matrix of their correlation and then plot. So I can show you this plot here. So this is a correlation plot. Here you can see that there is almost high correlation with the first variable. So since it's a time series data, you will notice most of the variable has high correlation here. So now we'll go towards to see if data is sufficient. We'll use the factor analyzer and do the Bartlett test. And using the Bartlett test, this line 19, the Bartlett test value is this and its p-value, so it is significant, showing the data is sufficient. And then we can do the KMO and then print the KMO value. It is also high, 0.74. Now we go towards factor analysis. So you can select how many number of indices you want to make. If you want to make 2, then select here 2. So when you press enter, it will do the factor analysis, and these are the two indices that are 2 columns that are made. You can calculate the loadings and then show the loading values. So these are the loading matrices. And then if you want to add this new indices into the data file, so first of all you have to convert that index into a data frame and then add their names, and then you can merge it in the dataset using the line number 37 and line number 38. So this was my original dataset, and there are two more variables, index 1 and index 2. Now you can plot the factor scores using this method, and it will show you as a scatter plot two factors. But I added one more command where you can add the histogram of the variables on the axis also, so that you can see their distribution itself. So this way you can confirm that the index two indices are similar or not. So this way you can do the factor analysis in Python. I hope you understood how to do it. If you have any queries or any suggestions, you can share in the command. Thank you.